Welcome to today's video, where we embark on a journey to unlock the secret to radiant and glowing skin, right from the moment you wake up. They say beauty comes from within, and in this video, we'll explore how your morning beverage choices can play a crucial role in achieving that coveted glow. Juices for glowing skin. How do juices help in making your skin glow? Most vegetables and fruits contain fiber and other essential nutrients that help flush out the toxins that affect your overall skin and hair health. They also consist of antioxidants that inhibit the growth and effect of free radicals in the body, which are responsible for damaging body cells. Applying kitchen ingredients on your skin may help for a shorter span, but intake of nutritious vegetable and fruit juices will help your skin glow from within. Local, seasonal fruits are the best bets for you, and make sure you purchase your fruits from a trusted vendor. Fruits with pesticides are known to be very detrimental for health. We suggest some juices for glowing skin. 1. Carrot and beetroot juice. Carrot and beetroot juice is one of the best elixirs in the bay. And how? Beetroot is power-packed with essential nutrients including potassium, zinc, iron, folic acid, manganese, and vitamin C, all of which are known to purify blood that further leads to a glowing skin. Carrot contains vitamin A that fights acne, wrinkles, pigmentation, and uneven skin tone. In fact, the juice is rich in fiber that eases bowel movement and excretion, thereby cleaning your stomach. 2. Cucumber juice. While cucumber face packs may do wonders for your skin, cucumber juice may also help moisturize your skin, making it more elastic and glowing. The presence of ascorbic acid and caffeic acid helps prevent water retention that makes your skin look swollen and puffy. So load up on more cucumber juice to get the best results. 3. Fresh tomato juice. Tomato is packed with high concentrations of antioxidants that help in reducing the signs of premature aging like wrinkles and fine lines, making your skin look fresher and youthful. Tomatoes help in shrinking your pores, removing tan and reducing sebum. Drinking a glass of tomato juice is definitely one of the best juices for glowing skin. 4. Pomegranate juice. Pomegranate has the ability to purify blood that further helps in nourishing your skin and making it glow. It also has anti-aging properties that help in cell renewal that leads to young and beautiful skin. A glass of pomegranate juice is exactly what you need to drink up daily. 5. Spinach juice. Green leafy vegetable juices may not taste delicious, but they are extremely beneficial for your skin. Spinach juice is said to be rich in iron and vitamin K that are essential for getting a flawless skin. These greens also contain vitamin C, E, and manganese that are antioxidants protecting your skin from damage causing free radicals. 6. Papaya juice. This humble fruit has always come to rescue whenever needed. The fruit contains an enzyme known as papain that helps clear the skin impurities and reveals a clear and bright skin. Drink up papaya juice regularly for a soft and gleaming skin. Also read, papaya leaf juice benefits you must know. 7. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice is one multitasker that does wonders for your skin and hair along with overall health. It is rich in vitamins and minerals that help maintain the natural glow of your skin. It has hormones like auxin and gibberellins that are known to be skin healers. 8. Ginger lemon juice. The good old kitchen ingredient ginger is a rich source of potassium and niacin that are essential minerals for your body. They contribute in keeping your skin healthy and glowing. It is tough to sip on ginger juice alone. In order to make it tastier, you can add lemon and other veggies as well. 9. Apple juice. No wonder an apple a day keeps the doctor away. These wonder fruits are super healthy for skin and overall health. Apples contain a significant amount of collagen that makes your skin elastic and glowing. They also contain antioxidants that prevent signs of premature aging that include skin tissue damage and wrinkles. 10. Lemon water and honey. Consuming lemon and honey with lukewarm water can work wonders for your skin. A study on analysis on the natural remedies to cure dandruff/skin disease-causing fungus, Malassezia furfur, found that lemon juice is highly effective against skin disease-causing fungal growth. Besides, it contains vitamin C that helps to rejuvenate the skin and promotes the growth of healthy skin cells. How to make? Squeeze 1 small-sized whole lemon in a glass of lukewarm water. Add 2-3 spoons of pure honey to it and mix well. Drink it on an empty stomach in the morning. Benefits. A glass of lemon water and honey not only helps in your digestion but also gives you clear skin, free of acne breakouts and pimples. 11. Coconut water has been a traditional drink among Indians for a long time. Starting your day with a glass full of fresh coconut water helps to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. It helps in collagen production, maintains skin elasticity, and hydrates the skin naturally. How to make? You can drink coconut water directly. Coconut water has a natural sweetness, so no need to add any additional sweetener. Benefits. Coconut water is a powerhouse of nutrients. It is rich in vitamin B2, vitamin B3, vitamin C. Regular drinking of coconut water prevents skin dryness, improves skin elasticity, and makes your skin glow. Coconut water has plenty of natural nutrients and enzymes and is low in calories, making it a perfect drink for weight loss. It is also recommended to curb dehydration and constipation issues. Drink up these power-packed fruit and vegetable juices for perfectly glowing skin and boost your skin health naturally. And there you have it, a collection of morning elixirs that can transform your skincare routine and give you the radiant, glowing skin you've always dreamed of. Remember, beauty is not just skin deep. It's about nurturing yourself from the inside out, and these morning drinks are a delicious and nourishing way to start your day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on health, wellness, and natural beauty. Thank you for joining us on this journey to radiant skin. Until next time, stay healthy, stay beautiful.